Alright everybody, here's the windows. We've decided to go ahead and replace them. Stay tuned for updates on the new windows.
So as you can see, we finally have this big gaping hole. We took out those two windows right there, and the framing, you would call it framing?
Yep.
The framing in between and around. Getting rid of this old nasty insulation and gonna try to make her a little bit more energy efficient and no jumping out. So stay tuned and watch the transformation.
It's pretty cool.
Good.
Alright everybody, here's the new windows we're putting in. Still in the package. I'll open one up and see what our actual measurements is. Alright everybody, there's one window in.
Right there.
Alright y'all, so as we're working on the windows, take a look at these two turkeys and all their little turklets. They are so cute.
I know, right? That is great.
Hi babies.
They come over here to eat grape. Yep. They found
Ah, the culprits of our grape eater. Look at it fly up.
It's after the grape. It jumps up and hits them, they fall off.
Look at that.
Like the grape doesn't hit.
Hello lovies.
Yep, that's what they're after. All grape.
Oh, they're adorable.
Hey,
Alright y'all, so we can see two windows are officially in and framed. When we initially bought these windows, what did we think they were?
Like sit-on windows that you screw to the side of the house, but they're actually inset windows.
Yes, they're inset windows, which we like better. I like that better, honestly. I think that looks a lot better. So this is the finished product, and this is the other set that we still have to do. You can see all the rot, and the windows themselves just are so shot and cracked, and you can feel every breeze that comes through. Just with these windows, we've noticed you can't hear anything. Everything here is muffled.
We got a box fan in there, we can't even hear it now.
Yeah, it's great. Like, it's so quiet. You can't hear Cookie barking.
And they're tinted. We didn't know they was tinted.
They are tinted. Yes, we did not know they were tinted, and they actually are. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Oh, you totally can.
Oh, yeah.
They look so good.
So stay tuned for part 2, where we take care of this mess.